Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use custom downloadable fonts in Android in Jetpack Compose. So first of all, we need to add the dependencies. So the dependencies can be for the fonts can be added here. So which is uh, uh, Google Fonts. So this is something you can use from this website. This link I'll add it in the description. So you just have to add it in the implementation, and so we can all the dependencies for now are moved to the toml files. So which I can just show like how where exactly it is with the version. So this is the module. This is the module with the font's name, and it is the version here. So you can directly just add this dependency, and then uh, after adding the dependencies, you have to sync the project, and after syncing the project, you have to add a provider, so which is available here. So after you have to add this provider in your theme, which is here in theme type. So in type, what you have to do is like add a provider with the provider authority and the package. So to get the certificate, this font cert, you have to go to the link again, and here it is, there is a link for the font sets. So if you click on it, it will give you this XML file. So what you have to do is like just copy this whole string, add it in your resource values. So here values, add it in your fonts, add it in the resource and values, add the font sets XML file here, and use it in your provider here in the type. So after adding it, you can directly download, you can have the downloadable fonts. So for now, I'm having these two like Montserrat and this Vincent's. So this is how I'll be adding them. And to create the font family like light, medium, and bold type of font family, I'm using this logic here. And for the if you need to go for like design system like body large and the title and all the other like label, caption and all, you can use the this type of typography design system where you can give the text sizes and all uh, as per your demands. Or you can directly copy this font family and use it directly at your text. So as an example, I have this text which is giving the title of my movies DB movies names titles. So what I'll be just directly I'm calling the font family here, or else I can for now if I just say that Montserrat font family and run the app, it will give me the font with the Montserrat font family. So this is how it will look with the different fonts. I'll change it to Josephine Sounds again and run back it. So that's how you can add custom fonts into your uh, composable functions. So that's all. Thank you.